Welcome to Asan Science YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing about important science questions that will be useful for your TET and other competitive examination. Here we will discuss about the concept life processes. Life processes means those processes which are necessary for organisms to call alive. Those are known as respiration, digestion, circulation, excretion, etc. So see here, the first question is the type of nutrition where the host get infected is a parasitic type of nutrition. Here one organisms derive food from other organisms, in turn infecting it with diseases and known as parasitic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means the organisms which are capable to prepare their own food. Example, green plants. Heterotypic nutrition means the organisms which are dependent on other organisms, may be herbivores, carnivores or omnivores. Saprophytic nutrition involves the organisms which are dependent on dead and decay organisms, and they are commonly known as scavengers of nature. The glands that secretion in a mouth and helps in digestion of starch. So see here, salivary glands. These glands secrete saliva directly into the mouth and helps in the digestion of starch or carbohydrates. Here lipids and proteins are not get digested as saliva do not contain any specialized enzyme. It contains only one enzyme, that is known as salivary amylase. Next question, the acid which is secreted in stomach and prepare an acidic medium for helping digestion is known as hydrochloric acid or HCl. The longest part of alimentary canal is a small intestine. So see here, it will be the largest part of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal starts with mouth and ends with the anus. Here in herbivorous animals, small intestine is somewhat very large when compared to carnivorous animal, as herbivore animals are totally dependent on cellulose. Carbohydrates, proteins and lipids get completely digested in which part of the alimentary canal, means the small intestine. As I told you earlier, starch is somewhat digested in the mouth, but the rest of the all composition of food completely get digested in the small intestine, and finally absorption also takes place here. Which juice contains trypsin and lipase enzymes? So see here, pancreatic juice that is secreted from pancreas contains enzymes like trypsin and lipase. So see here, enzymes are those substances which act as a catalyst in the reaction. They increases the pace of the reaction here. Next question, the finger-like projections in the inner wall of the small intestine and those increases the area for action of absorption of food. So see here, the word absorption is missing. So villi, these are finger-like projections of small intestine that helps to absorb the digested food. The respiration which takes place in the absence of an oxygen is known as anaerobic respiration. Here oxygen is not required. On the other hand, aerobic respiration means where oxygen is necessary. The site of respiration where pyruvate breakdown takes place is mitochondria. So mitochondria is the site of aerobic respiration. Respiration that takes place with the breaking down of pyruvate molecules into lactic acid in which cells? So see here, human muscle cells are a characteristic feature for this lactic acid fermentation. In these muscles, aerobic respiration is not taking place. So here lactic acid fermentation takes place. The balloon-like structure present inside lungs which provides surface area for gases exchange is known as alveoli. So see here, we can compare villi with the alveoli. They are present inside the lungs and increases the surface area for gaseous exchange. Here carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange takes place. Which blood cells transport oxygen? So see here RBC, here answer A, red blood corpuscles transport oxygen, where WBC are associated with the immune system of the body, whereas platelets helps in clotting of blood. And plasma, plasma, the information about plasma is given in our previous video which was about tissues. So if you want to information about plasma, please visit that video. So see here a respiratory pigment hemoglobin is present, which combines with oxygen forming oxyhemoglobin, and hence oxygen is transported. If this pigment was absent, it was very difficult to transport RBC, oxygen. So here transport of oxygen takes place in association with the RBC and hemoglobin. Next question. The chamber of the heart that receives oxygenated blood is the left atrium. In vertebrates like human being, at each cycle blood enters 2 times in heart without mixing oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and this type of respiration is known as a double circulation. So see here it is present in higher organisms like mammal, where energy demand is more. To cope up with this energy demand, now we have special type of heart where mixing of blood do not takes place. Next, the blood vessels that carry blood from heart to other part of the body are known as arteries. So see here vessels carry blood from heart to other bodies. The walls of the arteries are very thick and when compared to capillary veins. So veins are that blood vessels which performs the opposite function. The loss of water through aerial part of the plant is known as transpiration. So in the tissues also we have discussed about this concept. So please watch that video for more information about transpiration. The functional unit of kidneys are known as nephron. So here nephron are the functional unit of kidneys where purification of blood forms a urine. Which part of human excretory system provides a temporary storage of urine? So see here bladder or one more name urinary bladder. It provides a temporary storage of urine until it is expelled from body. Next question. Plants do not have any particular excretory system. So they excrete their waste in the form of gum, resins, and by transpiration through here water and oxygen oxygen is also considered as a excretory part, and stored in vacuoles and shedding leaves. These are all the process of excretion in plants, as they do not have any particular excretory system. So option will be all of the above. We suffer muscle cramps due to the formation of lactic acid. Here we see muscle cramps or suffer from muscle cramps. So if you like this video, so please do subscribe this channel for next lessons.